Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to have a demo of its health monitoring functions, particularly the heart rate monitoring function. So we'll check this and we'll compare it side by side. We'll have a simultaneous monitoring of our heart rate with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So if you are interested to see the results for the Realme Watch 5 heart rate monitoring, and you also want to see the results if we have a simultaneous monitoring with our HR with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin with the heart rate monitoring of the Realme Watch 5. Let's see if it can detect whether we are wearing the smartwatch or not. So we have here, it's now checking, and seems like it's not going to check our heart rate, or it will not continue checking our heart rate if we are not wearing the wearable. Let's see if we are wearing the smartwatch heart rate. Let's see if it's working. I don't see any animation here. Refresh. Okay, again. So you have to really activate it on the bottom part. So this is the graph. If you check it, it will not automatically check your heart rate, but instead you have to go on the bottom part and refresh. Okay, so let's see if there's settings for the heart rate here in the smartwatch. So let's go with the settings here. We have battery, and seems like there's no settings for the heart rate here. Let's check in the support app. Hopefully we are still connected. So here are the settings for the heart rate. So we have here the health reminders, and as you can see here, you have an option to make it 24-hour heart rate monitoring. You can set it here, and you can also set the continuous stress monitoring here and other functions for the health. Okay, so there's no automatic heart rate monitoring here. So this one, when wearing the watch, turn on to switch to perform continuous heart rate measurement. I don't know what is the meaning of this one. It will continue checking your heart rate when you activate it, or it will randomly check your heart rate. Okay, so we'll check it this. We'll wear the wearable for several days to see if what is the results. Anyway, let's proceed with the checking of the heart rate monitoring. Let's check it first, then after that we'll have a simultaneous heart rate monitoring with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So we'll wear it properly here. Okay, then let's check. Let's go with the heart rate monitoring. As you can see, doesn't check our heart rate automatically when we wear it. You have to refresh it here, and it's now checking our heart rate. It is measuring beats per minute. Let's see in just a few seconds if we will have a good result. Okay, our heart rate right now is very high, as we've been doing some activities just a few moments ago. Okay, so that is 105. Again, although we already set it, or it says on the support app we do have a 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Maybe this is just random monitoring of our heart rate. As you can see here, after several seconds it stops measuring, and we have here 99 beats per minute. Okay, so we'll adjust this, then let's have our Realme or Redmi Watch 5 smartwatch. The Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Heart rate and heart rate. As you can see here from the Redmi smartwatch, when you select the heart rate, it automatically detects. Okay, it will automatically measure the heart rate. Again, it's checking. If we don't have a good result, we'll adjust the smartwatch. Okay, they have the same results here. So 92, 100 beats per minute. We have 94, 92. Okay, they almost have the same results here. Okay, let me adjust this so we can have a proper. Again, let's see if there's a settings for our light here for the heart rate monitoring. I want it to end after checking our heart rate after several seconds. Okay, so there's no option here, and if I remember it correctly, I think there's no option for the heart rate. It will just monitor our heart rate continuously, just like the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Anyway, let's have another one. It's now checking. We'll check it at least 3 times. This is the second time that we check our heart rate. As you can see, we have 101 beats per minute. Let's see with this one. 93 and 99. As you can see, they almost have the same results here. Again, we have 96 beats per minute, and the other one, so it is in range of 100. So we expect this to be in range of this one also. It's now dropping to 95, 97, and as you can see, 95 just a few seconds ago. 99, 100. I think they both do have, these smartwatches both do have a very good heart rate monitoring, particularly our Realme Watch 5. We tested already the Redmi Watch 5 and we find the heart rate monitoring to be pretty accurate. So I guess the heart rate monitoring also of our Realme Watch 5 is also good, except for this one. You really have to activate every time that you have to open the heart rate monitoring, and it seems like the animation here is not that creative. As you can see, very simple. The same 99 and 98, 97, 99, and we have here 96. As you can see, it's dropping to 96 also. Okay, so that's it for our heart rate monitoring test for the Realme Watch 5, and based on the demo that we have, the result is not that far to our Redmi Watch 5 Active. The Redmi Watch 5, the Redmi Watch 5 Lite do have a similar heart rate monitoring results with our Xiaomi Smart Band 10 as well as Huawei Band 10. So I guess the Realme Watch 5 heart rate monitoring is okay, it's good. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.